guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I'm Caitlin, and we have a really fun recipe for you today. We are going to make slow cooker chicken bacon ranch dip. Dips are amazing, they're perfect for parties, and they're even better for one of my favorite times of the year, when we're in football playoffs and approaching the Super Bowl. So honestly, crock-pot dips, they work for every game day. You throw everything in, then you grab your chips, and you can just sit down and watch the game. So again, today we are going to make chicken bacon ranch dip in our slow cooker for game day. So in my bowl here, I have about 2 cups of a shredded chicken. What I like to do is just buy those rotisserie chickens at the food store and then just kind of shred it all up. But whatever chicken you want to use, you do need about 2 cups of it for this recipe. After that, we're going to add in 1 packet of a ranch seasoning dip. Just pour it in top. We're going to mix it all together in a little bit. And we have 1 package of bacon that we cooked and then diced up nice and small. Next step is to add in your cream cheese. So I actually have 16 ounces of cream cheese here, which is just 2 packages of your regular old block cream cheese. And we're going to add that in as well. Then there's just your last ingredient. I have a nice sharp white cheddar here that we're going to add in. I would say about a cup would do, but really you could kind of eye it, and there's no such thing as too much cheese, so you could definitely kind of eye this one. And then you're just going to start mixing it together. Now this actually doesn't have to be blended perfectly because it's all going to melt down together in our crock pot. We just kind of want to get it going a little bit. You could still have pretty big chunks of cream cheese, but just kind of like get it going a little bit, get everything mixed together. And then last step, we're going to add a little bit of green onion, chive, scallion, whatever, and then it's ready for our crock pot. After that, you're going to dump that mixture right into your crock pot. So I pretty much have every size crock pot available. This is a 2-quart crock pot, but you can use any crock pot for this, even if it's a bigger one. But just so you know, if you do have a small one, it does fit in a 2-quart crock pot as well. But you're going to dump it all in, and depending on how quickly you need your dip, you're either going to set the setting to either low or high, and you know it's ready when it's all melted down, super cheesy, and it just looks like that dip that you want to dunk your chip in. You could stir it from time to time. You don't even really have to, but you know, if you want to give it a stir, go ahead. And after that cheese has melted and everything comes together and it looks so delicious, your chicken bacon ranch dip is ready to serve. Grab your chips, get the game on, and be ready to dig in. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.